Hey everybody, Dewalt just entered the rapidly growing cordless snowblower thrower category with its 21-inch 60-volt single-stage snowblower. This snowblower comes as a kit with a battery charger and two 12-amp-hour flex-volt batteries. After several very wet and heavy snowstorms here in Massachusetts, we can share some feedback on the Dewalt snow moving as a contender. So, is it a snow thrower or a blower? A little bit of a debate on this. The Dewalt snowblower sits in a class that many would call a snow thrower versus snow blower. While this may seem like trivial semantics, there's a significant design difference between single-stage snow throwers and larger two-stage or even three-stage snow blowers. Single-stage machines like this Dewalt have a single rotating auger that performs double duty in breaking up the snow but also throwing it through the chute. They're lighter, they have fewer moving parts, and are typically propelled by the user. Two-stage snow blowers have dedicated augers for breaking up the snow into a mouth of the machine that passes it up to a second, faster spinning impeller and launches it out through the chute. These machines are heavy, typically propelled by self-driving wheels, and can move and throw snow much further than a single-stage machine. All right, so let's break down the details of this machine. The Dewalt features a single 7-inch steel auger that processes the snow and throws it through the chute. The chute, it's motorized and can be rotated left or right quickly via two paddle switches on the handle. The dashboard of the tool has bright and easy to read LED lights showing the battery straight, power mode, high load indicator, and fault indicators. The handle has large power on-off button, power mode buttons, and you can use it very easily with gloves. There are three modes of selection for power: eco, normal, and power high. With even the hardest packed snow, the normal mode on this blower was able to ingest and throw snow 10 plus feet up to 25 feet. When max mode was used, it made a significant difference in the snow throwing performance. However, it was clear that it put a rapid drain on the batteries. So we used the normal mode. It was better. The blower performed better with steady amount of snow going into the mouth of the unit, and it did not slow down even when the high power indicator light was illuminating. It is important for you guys to understand that this is not power driven, so all forward movement is done by you. The user has to push this thing. And heavy wet snow, it requires significant force to push this blower through it. The bottom shave plate is grooved and likely to help the blower slide along, but it does result in a thin layer of snow left behind. So just be aware of that. As far as price and value, the Dewalt kit is currently valued at $9.99, while bare tool is $6.99. And with most cordless tools, right, these days the core performance and resultant cost lies in the battery. So the kit comes with two 12-amp-hour batteries. It's priced out. If you did it individually, these batteries are $300 a piece. It's like 60% of the cost of the kit. So think about it that way. The real hidden value in the kit, it's really going to depend on the user. Users who already own and use other Dewalt 20-volt, 60-volt tools may see a huge value in the kit. Conclusion here, guys. The Dewalt 21 single-stage blower, it really did impress us with compact power, ability to chew through snow, worst kind of snow. We found it light enough to pull up deck stairs and clear off a second-story deck, a job that previously was achieved through back-breaking shoveling antics. So there's a plus there. And for users who have small driveway or grounds personnel needing to clear maybe long stretches of sidewalks, this blower could be a Goldilocks solution for you folks. And it might fit somewhere between shoveling and the larger, heavier, more expensive multi-stage blowers, right? So well done, Dewalt. We were impressed with this unit. It is certainly a little powerhouse, and we're going to continue to play with it if we keep getting snow up here in the Northeast, and we'll keep posting and let you know how it goes. I'm Rob Robillard. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. We'll see you next time. Take care.